Hello, welcome to the crypt. Winter's coming. It means it's time to build a snowman. We're going to build one for a Calico Critter. To start off, sketch out a snow critter to use it as a reference. It will be easier to keep the proportions. You can also use your critter as a reference, but I prefer to keep them separately to avoid contamination. Use aluminium foil to make two balls. He has a balls of aluminium. Close enough. For the miniatures that I don't need too many details, I prefer to use air dry clay. It's cheap and light. It will also create a nice snowy texture and so on. Cover your bases and stick them on top of each other. Cut two sausages and put them on top of the head. Believe it or not, those are ears. And yes, we're making a snow bunny. Once your clay is all dried, prepare fake snow. I'm using a mixture of acrylic paint, PVA glue and baking soda. The paste will dry a bit clumpy, creating a nice texture. You can skip this part, but I was feeling a little bit adventurous. While your snow critter is drying, we're going to prepare some decorations. Make some branches using wire and paint them. Get the buttons. And add two small beads for the eyes. And now, the most fun part, putting it all together.